Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today I thought we'd do just a little tiny install, not even really an install. We're basically just going to be accessorizing in the Optima just a little bit more. I'm currently waiting on some parts coming from other countries, and it's taking quite a little while due to, what's going on right now in the world. So the shipping has been a little bit delayed and taking quite some time on some of these parts, so I can't really do these big installs that I want to right yet, but I figured, it's some filler. Let's just go ahead and try out some random things that I've seen on Amazon. So I figured I picked up some of these little vent accessories. They go over the blades inside your vents and, give you just a little bit more razzle dazzle inside your car. You basically just cut them down to the size that you need and slide them on there, as far as I can tell. Of course, you can get all kinds of different color combos. They've got every different color you can think of. So if you do like a, purple and green or red and blue color combination, you can get those and match them all up and do your vents a nice color. But I figured, red would be good for me. I mean, me and the red on the car. So let's get these things cut down, get them on there, and see what they look like. Alrighty, and here's what they look like so far. Make sure for these ones with the little sliders, you leave enough room on each side so that your vents can move around. And the sides are done as well. Again, making sure that we leave enough room to be able to move the vent. I also picked up this little drift charm. It's a red and black monkey with some sunglasses carrying a NOS bottle. I thought it looked pretty good, would go pretty well with the car. I also found somebody that was doing these custom license plates. It's not actually a metal plate, it's like a thick piece of plastic, but I went ahead and stuck it in one of these little license plate protectors and attached it to one of these little tilting brackets, so when I go to car shows I can put that on the front of the car. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. Again, I'm sorry that it was more of a filler video and not very eventful. Once those parts do come in though, make sure that you're subscribed if you're not already, so you can see what other mods we're going to be doing for the car. Check out another video on the channel. I've got tons for just about every mod that I've done so far. Again, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and hope to see you in my next one.